You want to link your prepaid card to the mobile banking app? It's so easy. Follow these steps. Download the app from Play Store or Apple Store and open it on your smartphone. Click on Enroll. Select the country. Select prepaid card. Fill in empty fields: phone number, date of birth, prepaid card number, customer identification number, then validate. Confirm the information displayed are correct. Click on Check the mobile phone number. Enter the code sent by SMS. Click on Submit. Create your PIN code. Create your password. Click on Start using mobile banking. You can now use the app and enjoy all its features. To unlink your account or your card from mobile banking, simply click on Delete, then click on OK to confirm. To add a new account or card to mobile banking, simply click on the plus icon. Select the element to add and follow the process.
UBA, Africa's global bank.